I received my first package from True Leaf Market for microgreen seeds in the mail. I wanted to do an unboxing and show you what's inside. Let's get started. Alright, let's start here. It says pull tab to open. Okay, and this is what I first see when I open the bag, or the envelope. It came really fast, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Here's a card about True Leaf. Here's my packing slip. You can see here I ordered a 3-part salad mix, an amaranth, 4 ounces of the 3-part salad mix, 4 grams of the amaranth, 25 grams of peas, 4 grams of radish seeds, and another 4, so I guess 8 grams total of the radish. Oh, 2 different kinds of radish. This one just says organic. Okay, so here is the bag of the purple radish. I have a 3-part salad mix. This is a nice little baggie. It's a windy day, so here's the speckled pea seeds. It's interesting how they're all in such different containers. Here is the amaranth. Nice little seed envelopes. And then the purple rainbow radish. So this is how they came. Shipment. My 5 items from True Leaf. What I've really liked about True Leaf so far is they were quick. I placed the order a few days ago, and minus Sunday, because I don't think they operate on a Sunday, it came very quickly. I think it was 2 or 3 day shipping, and it was just waiting in my mailbox because they use the USPS, so I didn't even have to worry about it getting wet because of the rain or someone stealing it because it's in front of my gate. So I look forward to it. I hope that they perform well, because I'm sure I'll be ordering from them again. But if you've used them before, leave a comment. If you want to catch up with more stuff, I'm going to be doing some other gardening reviews. Feel free to subscribe to my page and like this video. Alright, see you on the next one.